How to turn on age restriction on Twitter. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, if you go ahead and open Twitter application and then tap on your profile icon on the top left and then tap on the settings and privacy option there. Here you will see the option for privacy and safety. Tap on that and then tap on the content you see option. Here, as you can see, you will see various options. However, you will not see the option to enable or disable the restriction mode anywhere. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for x.com and make sure that you are signed in. And if not, then you will be required to sign yourself in. Once signed in, go ahead and tap on the profile icon on the top left of your screen again, and then tap on the settings and privacy option. Further, go ahead and tap on the privacy and safety option and then tap on the content you see option you see there. And further, go ahead and tap on the display media that may contain sensitive content checkbox you see there, and with this, restricted mode on Twitter will be enabled. So this was about how you can turn on age restriction on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.